up guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today we are trying a new hairstyle because I'm going on vacation and I want to kind of keep my front of my head from getting frizzy. So I'm going to try a new hairstyle. If you guys are interested, go ahead and keep watching. So we're going to jump right into it. The biggest things I'm going to be using will be my Eco Gel with coconut oil. I'm going to be using this brush that also has a sharp end to part my hair. And I will also be using some black rubber bands. And I might use some cute little clips at the end. We'll see how the outcome comes out. I have already washed my hair. The only thing in there is leave-in conditioner. So I'm just going to start by parting my head about right here. So the part is starting right before your ear, and you're just going to do that on both sides. Once you have your first section, just go ahead and put this in the back, like in a little bun or something. Okay, now I'm going to part this 5 ways going this way. Okay, so your part should look like this. 1, 2, this is the center one, 3, and 4. So we're going to start with this section, and I'm just going to tuck this behind my ear. Again, there's no product in my hair, so I'm going to start by taking my hair and just parting this section right down the middle in half. And we're just going to be really quick with it. We're going to take some gel for both sides, and I'm going to gel just near my root and just near my root. So I'm going to take this section and I'm going to brush it back just a little bit, and I'm going to put it in a hair bow. It should look like this. Make sure you get it as tight as you can because you want it to stay and last. I'm twisting it just a few times and the gel should help it stay smooth. Then I'm just going to take that second section and I'm going to brush that one as well. And I'm going to put it in a hair bow. And I'm going to just loop around the rubber band twice. So 1 and then 2. Then on that third loop, we're going to bring in the piece in the front. So take the piece in the front with the twist and bring it into the rubber band, and then you're going to loop it again 2 more times. So it should look like this. So we did the first one, twisted a few times, looped this around twice with the rubber band, added in that twist, and did it again. So now I'm going to do the next section. Add your gel, part it in half. As the sections get bigger, you're going to have a little bit more to brush back. So I'm brushing back. Add more gel if you need to. Tighten it, do your twist. You only need a few. Get your second section, and you're gonna rubber band it. Add in your second piece. And tighten. Alright guys, I'm gonna finish the next 2 sections and then we will style this hairstyle. Alright guys, I have completed the top of my head and this is what it looks like. Nothing too fancy, but it will kind of help I feel like my hair lasts longer throughout the week, because instead of me worrying about the frizz on the top of my head, I can just add a little bit more gel, brush it up, and it will allow my curls to look good all week long. So I haven't put any product in my hair yet, but I am going to go ahead and style like I normally do, let my hair dry, and then we'll see what the final look looks like. And then I feel like this style, you can do a lot of other styles with it, so the hairstyle can be very versatile. Alrighty guys, I have completely finished my hair and it is dry. It looks like this. And I really like this hairstyle because, like I said, it's going to help with the frizz in the front. I can just brush it up, and there's a lot of different ways that I can wear it, and it should definitely last me a full week and still look good by the end of the week. And I will probably do a video of all the different hairstyles I wear with it. That way you guys can kind of see if you want to try this out for yourselves. But thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, don't forget to comment down below, like, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.